They all say that installing the saw blade on the electric drill makes pulling wood faster. I installed it and tried a small piece of wood, but it didn't work well. I thought about it again and tried to install a big saw blade, but the electric drill couldn't handle it. This is pure nonsense. I decided to use my small grinder at home to make a modification for the big saw blade. I removed the pressure plate and made a gear. A hexagonal, thickened gear. It is very sturdy. I used a foot-operated grinder to make another small machine. I attached the small machine. The screws on both sides were fixed. Then I installed the handle. I also made a simple guide plate, hung a chain, and hung the chain on the gear. I adjusted the lever and stuck this flute on the guide plate. Then I made a casing, buckled the cover of the chassis to it, and tightened the buckle at the top. I used 2 screw rods and a flat piece to pad the protective cover and the casing together. Let's fix these 2 screws on it. Don't tighten the chain first. You can adjust it loose and pull it for a while. If the wood chain is loose, you can adjust it with a screwdriver. You can loosen it by turning the screwdriver counterclockwise and tighten it by turning it clockwise. How do you turn it and tighten it just right? There's a gap between the chain and the guide plate, and that's it. Then use a wrench to screw it on and fix it. Add some oil to the oil pot. Any oil can lubricate it. This pulls firewood too fast. I consider the modification a success. If you want more, double-click and pay attention.